Today I'm going to walk you through the Hallmark Plan here at Talon Preserve on Palmer Ranch. This is one of the more popular plans in the community. The Hallmark offers just under 1,700 square feet of living space with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a flex room, and a 2-car garage. The kitchen has a large center island, a gas cooktop, quartz countertops, and wood cabinetry. It's designed to feel both functional and inviting, with the island serving as a central gathering space while still allowing for a clean, uncluttered look throughout the main living area. The open layout connects the kitchen, dining, and living areas into one continuous space, allowing for natural light to carry through and making the home feel bright and inviting. Just off the main living area is the flex room, perfect for a home office, den, or even an additional guest space depending on your needs. Next to the flex room near the front of the home, you'll find the second bedroom and guest bath. The primary suite is located in the back of the home, giving both you and your guests a sense of privacy. In the primary bath, you have dual sinks and a large walk-in shower. The covered lanai becomes an extension of your living space. Here, you'll be able to enjoy the outdoors comfortably throughout the year. From quiet mornings to evenings by the pool, this is the space you'll find yourself using the most. So that concludes our tour of the model. For current pricing, available inventory, and builder incentives, including the ones you don't always see online, for this or any other model here in Talon Preserve on Palmer Ranch, call or text me directly at 941-318-0760.